Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download a VLC media player. Friends, VLC media player is one of the best media player to see videos etc. So to download it, you need to open your web browser and here you need to open videolan.org. Now here you will find the download button. To select the operating system, you need to click on this small arrow and from the list you can select the operating system, and after selecting the operating system you need to press on download VLC. So it will be downloaded on your device and you need to install it. It's a simple method. So friends, from this official website of VLC you can download VLC media player. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.